been running lead ads through Facebook, and it's been great. The lead forms, I should say, and it's been great. It's converting well. But the only thing that I found that once you get that really good, opt-in or that lead, they need to be followed up on, but like really aggressively. It needs to be followed up on, and so that's where Arsenal MKG came in. They fired off the text message. They sent out the email. You were even able to go in there and add extra text messages just to kind of just engage them a little bit more, which is great. You can tailor fit it to your liking, and so I like that. It enabled me to be able to, when I talk to my clients, it felt like they already knew me because they've been getting all my messages, and all this was all in one place. So it just really helped. It really helped the process. Getting people to know me, like me, and trust me, and of course buy from me. So it's a really good system for bringing good leads in, Facebook, whatever. But Arsenal MKG definitely helped.